already studied about the continents. Do you remember the continents? The seven continents. Do you remember? Huh? Okay, do one thing. This is another activity I'm giving to you. You have to mark which all continents, and just to find out which this particular continent in which hemisphere, this particular continent in which hemisphere, that southern or then northern or eastern or western, just to find out in a globe. Okay, will you do it? So this is activity, you can do it. Then let's move to our workbook exercises.
Yes.
Okay, 1 minute. Here ma'am is going to ask one more time. The important points and lines on a globe. What are the two ends of the Earth's axis? At the top. At the top. At the top?
North
No.
Pole.
Then at the bottom?
South Pole.
South Pole. Okay. An imaginary line that drawn around the middle of the globe.
Equator.
Equator divides the globe. Equator divides the globe into two equal parts. What are they?
Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere.
Northern hemisphere?
Southern Hemisphere.
Okay, tell me. The Tropic of Cancer in which hemisphere?
Northern Hemisphere.
Tropic of Capricorn in which hemisphere? Okay. What is the imaginary vertical line?
Primary
Meridian. Okay. Okay. What is the other side of the prime meridian? We can say 180-degree meridian. 180.
degree meridian.
Okay. 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 Then the prime meridian divide the globe into eastern hemisphere, western
hemisphere.
Is it clear? Can you find out all these important points on a globe?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you ask your parents to get to buy a globe for you?
Yes.
Now let us continue our workbook exercises. I think till which question we have finished in the last class? Do you remember?
14.
14th, that one. Write any 4 differences between maps and globes. Am I right?
That finished.
Last point.
Okay, okay. Then it's easy to carry.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is that?
Ashwin, I didn't write the 7th one and all.
Ashwin, let me discuss all the workbook exercises first.
Okay, ma'am.
And after that, I will be sending the notes through the WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, I wanted everybody to please open the workbook. Open the workbook, everybody. Please open the workbook. Let us continue. And we have already discussed the points about a map. And today we can write globes. Are you ready? Points related to globes.
Ma'am.
No talking. Ma'am is sharing the screen.
Ma'am, globe finish.
Globe also we have completed.
Yes. We already finished everything. Excuse me, ma'am. We finished.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
The globe, the last line. Identify. I didn't write that. Just that line.
Carry. Difficult to carry. A small model of the earth that shows what the earth looks like. It shows only one part of the earth at a time. Does not provide detailed distribution.
Can you hear me?
Excuse me, ma'am.
First of all, you please be quiet. Let me write the points related to globe, okay?
Ma'am, I cannot tell you.
Globe is a small model of the earth that shows how the earth looks like. Is that complete, everybody?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
mom.
The second
Yes,
point,
ma'am.
globe shows only one part of the earth at a time. That
Yes,
point is over.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. It does not provide a detailed information.
Finish.
Finished.
Finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Difficult
Finished.
to carry. Difficult to carry.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Finish.
Okay. 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 Last point, right?
Finished.
Ma'am, I cannot see any.
Difficult. The last point related to globe. Difficult to
Ma'am, I
carry.
cannot
That
see
is
any
your
notes.
network issue. Okay.
That is right, only.
Those who cannot see the board, that is your network issue.
Ma'am,
I can't do anything.
And this
it's done, ma'am.
PC board. This right, only.
Better I am going to mute everyone. You guys are really making too much noise in the class. Catherine, open your book. Are you writing, Catherine? Everybody show me your book. Okay, okay. Crystal, switch on the camera. Your video. Switch on the video.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, okay. Everybody show me your book. Gurujit, Parthasarathi. Devadatt, where is your book? Okay, George, mute your device.
Ma'am.
So we are moving to the next question. Multiple choice question. Identify the given picture. Globe, compass, map, telescope. What is that?
Map.
Map. Map. Map. Number 15. Map. So you are supposed to write option
B.
B. Option B. Number 16. Which of the following are not shown on a given map? Cities, rivers of India, mountain ranges, plateaus.
Cities.
Cities. A. Option A. Number 17. If the earth was flat, which representation of the earth would not be used? Why? If the earth was flat, just think twice. The question you have to think twice. If the earth was flat, which representation of the earth would not be used? Globes would not be used to represent it because globe is the spherical model of earth. We cannot use globe if earth was flat. Why? Because a globe is a spherical model of earth. We can write down the answer. Okay, right. Globes would not be used to represent it. Answer, globes. Everybody write with me. Globes would not be used. Used to represent. Would not be used to represent it. Globes would not be used to represent it. Why? Next point. Because a globe is a spherical model of the earth. Model of the earth. Model of the earth. Any difficulty to understand the answer? Children, so first term exam will be there. You have to by heart all the sentences, the question answers. So if there is any confusion, you can ask me on time in the class. So the question is, if the earth was flat, just imagine our earth was flat, which representation of earth would not be used? We know that we represent the earth in two different ways, that is globe and map. So which one is a note? Which representation of earth would not be used? Globe. Globes would not be used to represent it. But if the earth was flat, which representation of the earth can be used? Map can be used, but globe is not appropriate. Why, you know? Because a globe is a spherical model of the earth. Enel Sabah, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wazim, understood? Unmute and speak. Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you understood the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, please show me your book in front of the camera. I hope everybody completed. Shall we move to next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Ivan, have you completed, Ivan? Please unmute and speak.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, I'll share the screen once again. Okay. Globes would not be used to represent it. I repeat the answer. Because a globe is a spherical model of the earth. Don't worry if you are not able to, because of some children are facing network issues, they were not able to complete it properly on time. Don't worry, I'll be sending the notes after the discussion. Okay, by evening I'll send the notes through the WhatsApp. Globes would not be used to represent it because a globe is a spherical model of the earth. I hope now everybody completed. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your hands. Ivan? Yes. Okay. Now we are moving to the next question. Okay, listen the question carefully, okay? While visiting a new place, what does a traveler use? Listen carefully. While visiting a new place, what does a traveler use? A map or a globe? Tell me the answer, Wasim. A traveler need
Map.
map. Okay. Give one reason for your answer. What is the reason behind it? A traveler uses a map because maps are easy to carry. Any difficulty? We can write down the answer. Okay. Maps are easy to carry. Shall I rub the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 18. Number 18. While visiting a new place, what does a traveler use? A map or a globe? A map. Right, all of you. A map. Full stop. Maps are easy to carry around. A map. Next point. Maps are easy. Maps are easy to carry around. Put a full stop. Finish? Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
So simple, no? It's so simple answer. Easy and simple answer. While visiting a new place, what does a traveler use? What does a traveler use? A map or a globe? What is the answer? Now itself you can study and close your book. Am I right? So easy and simple question answers. Isn't it? George, tell me. How do you feel? Easy answers, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any difficulty to by heart? The answer the
No.
following?
No, ma'am.
So simple and easy answers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Very
ma'am is giving only the points. I'm
Yeah.
not giving in more detail. Only points. Point wise, I'm giving the answer. For social studies and science, we are giving points.
Okay, ma'am.
You need to write the points.
Ma'am, I finished already.
And if you want, you can elaborate it. You can write in big sentences if you want. Okay, no
Okay, ma'am.
matter, no matter. You can write in big sentences. No worries. But ma'am is giving us simple points only.
Okay.
Very easy to by heart.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Yeah,
let
ma'am, can
me,
I mute?
yeah, sorry.
Ma'am, can I mute?
Yeah, definitely. While visiting a new place, what does a traveler use? A map or a globe? A map. You can elaborate the sentence like this. You can write while visiting a place, a traveler uses a map. You can write like that. Okay, if you want, you can write like that in a sentence. And you can write because maps are easy to carry around. Now, shall we move to next question? Give me a thumbs up, everybody. I know that some children are facing network issues. So let me ask everyone. Yeah, Ivan's completed. Give me a thumbs up, everybody. Amal Fayaz, have you completed? Ashwin's is okay. Okay, now we move. How do you feel, dear children? It's very difficult to by heart the answer the following? Or easy? Easy ones, right? Okay. Now ma'am is going to share the screen again. Number 19, question number 19. Okay. Two friends. Listen the question carefully again. Two friends, Rima and Abdul, were working on an assignment on maps. Rima wanted to locate capitals and other important cities of India on the map. Abdul wanted to show the information related to population density of the country on the map. Which type of map should each of them use? Who can say? Who can say which type of the map they can use? Enel Sabah, Ryan, Akshit. Which type of map? Say.
Map.
Which one? Physical map, political map, thematic map. Which type of map they use? Rima should use up. Okay, Ryan, Riju, tell me. Ryan, unmute and speak. Ryan, tell me which. Yeah, Ryan, say the answer. Which type of a map should each of them use? Rima should use a political map. And Abdul wanted to show the information related to a particular theme.
Thematic map.
Yeah, population density. Abdul wanted to show a particular theme, that is population density. So he should use a thematic map, and Rima wanted to use Political map.
Political.
Okay, we can write. Rima should use a political map. Everybody write. Rima.
Ma'am, can I mute?
Yeah. Rima should use a political map. Rima should use a political map. Put a full stop. Then tell me, Abdul should use a dash map. It's a particular theme. Tell me. Yeah, Abdul should use a thematic map. Abdul should use a thematic map. Is it clear? Any difficulty? Children, tell me, is there any difficulty to by heart the answer? Now itself you can learn and go. Then I don't think I can again post the notes in the group.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Ask me.
You didn't write Abdul should use a thematic map. You
Oh, yeah,
only
yeah.
write
Sorry.
Abdul-
Okay. Abdul should use a thematic map. Abdul should use a thematic map. Rima should use a political map. Abdul should use a thematic map. The next question, write any two ways in which maps are useful to you in your everyday life. Any two ways in which maps are useful in your everyday life. While traveling, maps can be used to find out the route and calculate the journey time. Maps can also be used to get detailed information about various landforms. Shall we write down that answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Maps can be used to find out the route and calculate the journey time. That point we can write. Maps can be used to find out can be used to find out the route and calculate the journey time. The journey time. This is the first point. You can put a star and write. So point wise, it's very easy to learn. Maps can be used to find out the route and calculate the journey time. Point number 1. Then second point, because we are supposed to write 2 points. Put a star like this and write the points. Can be used to find out the route and calculate the journey time. The second point, to get detailed information about second point, to get detailed to get detailed information about various landforms. Various landforms. Any difficulty to learn? Because I have given us point wise for easy to by heart. Do you feel it is difficulty?
No.
See, when we are writing is point wise, it is very easy to learn and by heart. So let me repeat the answer once again. Rima should use a political map. Abdul should use a thematic map. Then write any two ways in which maps are useful to you in your everyday life. Can be used to find out the route and calculate the journey time. Second point, to get detailed information about various landforms. See, listen, everybody, please copy down the notes from the class itself, because when I'm sending through the WhatsApp, I'll be in sentences, so detailed. Okay. But when I'm giving the notes in the class time, just the points I am giving. Just note down the points. Ivan, completed? Have you completed, Ivan? Ryan, Riju? Wasim? Okay. What about Akshit? Give me a thumbs up. Those who have completed, please. Give me a thumbs up. Mega? The next one, you can do it, okay? Look at the road map given as an example and make your own road map. Show the route from your home to your school. Mark and label the important landmarks that you will find on this route. Use the symbols given in the key. One key is there. Try to do this activity, okay? I'm not giving in the class. Let us wind up the session. Can I stop share the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am is going to take the attendance, okay? Say present loudly. Advaita Rajiv is here. Advaita is here. Just raise your hands. Advaita is here. I cannot see you, Advaita. Agnes Maria present. Ahyan, raise your hands. Raise your hands. Okay, Ahyan present. Enel Sabha, raise your hands. Okay, then Akshit. Akshit is here, no? Okay. Amal Fayaz. Ameya. Anthony. Anthony Haron. Where is Anthony? Anthony? Is that Anthony is present? Children, tell me, Anthony is there in the class? Enel Sabha, can you see Anthony in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he is there. Then Ashwin Krishna is there. Christo is there. Then Devananda. Devananda is here. Okay. Devadath is Ivan Eric. Ivan Matthew. Ivan Matthew present. Ivan Matthew. Enel Sabha, can you see Ivan Matthew? Yes. Ivana baby. Faihan. Okay. Farhan. George, Gurjit, I can see. Joseph Ivan, Wasim, Kashi.
Yes, ma'am.
Kashi is here. Wasim, Kashi is here in the class. Catherine, Leonel, Mega,
Listen, ma'am.
Adnan is here. Mega, Adnan is here in the class.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, Muhammad Adnan absent. Then Akil is here. No. Niranjana, Nived,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Parthasarathi, Randhir, Ryan Riju, Zahra. Okay. So today's our time is over. Let's wind up the session. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Take
ma'am.
care. Thank you all.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Yeah, have a nice day too.